Welcome everybody to the Tech Basement. Today is another eBay purchase evaluation. Okay, I will put the seller down below in the description, but we will be going over how I received this and a couple different things about what the seller did provide to me for information after I purchased it, which is really not that big of a deal because it's not going to affect anything. So let's get into what I received. For this review of the seller and the product that I received, I would like to start with the packaging. And this is what it came in. First of all, the box is appropriate size. Nice box. The box wasn't damaged, so yay on UPS or FedEx, whoever shipped it. And how it was packaged with some of this box material and cut in a real weird way. It was made out of another box. I can tell that because somebody else's tag is on here. And it was wrapped around this both ways, front, back, sides. So it was packed really nicely. I'll give them kudos on that. Now, after getting it out of the box, I saw a couple things. First of all, told me what the seller already had told me, which it is a used product. And by looking at the box, I could see that because they taped it up with Scotch tape. In other words, the round tape that it comes from the manufacturer was cut, and you can see it there and up at the top. Bottom, it just plain came off. So, which it does with these round tape. I don't think actually that tape is a very good tape. Probably nice and cheap, you know, manufacturers. Now, with the condition of the boxes, the exterior box, yeah, it's a little damaged. It's used, you know, no big deal. So, looking at the box that the water block is in, as well as all the different materials that come with it, it's in really good shape for the most part. It's just a couple things here and there, things you would expect. It showed up with really good padding for the water block and all the materials in there. Came with the 1mm thermal strips that I'm gonna need, as well as the package of mounting screws, spacers, all that other stuff. Now, we're skipping directly to the water block because I'm really happy about this. The water block, first of all, is heavy, so I can see why the box, the interior box and the exterior box are a little messed up, a little dinged, things like that. Now, the water block looks brand new to me. I know you see this coming through the bag right now, but you're not getting that in and out of any of these rips or even cuts. And we'll get to that in a minute. But you can see that the EK sticker has not been broken. It's not been broken at all. So that gives me a good inclination that this is a brand new block. I did get this at $30 less than, or $30 to $40, sorry, less than what I would pay for it for retail. The only thing that is missing are the nuts. Now, my only complaint about this whole purchase so far is that the seller did not tell me about the nuts being absent from the package. But they did tell me after I purchased it. With the way everything is right now, I don't feel that bad about it, but I wish that I would have received that information before. And why I don't feel bad about it is because from what I have seen through my investigation is that for the installation, those are not needed. And we'll see about that when I do go to install. Now tell me what you think about this whole purchase and everything that has gone down. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and like I said, put your comments down below. I'd like to hear what you have to say. Would you buy from this seller, knowing what you know now on what had happened? Or if you have already bought from this seller, and if it's been a positive or a negative situation for you. So with all that being said, this is Chris saying out.